Today's project is a modern typography poster that blends art and design. Begin with a bold title using a clean, contemporary font. Add supporting text in much smaller sizes to create hierarchy. Introduce spacing, alignment, and smart placement to make everything feel balanced. Use large, simple shapes, circles, rectangles, or lines, to anchor your composition. Add overlays or transparency to give subtle layers.
Keep the color palette minimal, 2 or 3 tones at most.
The final result feels clean, stylish, and perfect for print or digital promotion. Let's design your typographic artwork.